So class 7th students, in this particular video I will tell you about the rhyme scheme. So how to find out a rhyme scheme of a poem. So we will try to understand with this, with our poem The Squirrel. So first of all we have to read first line of the poem and we have to focus on the last word of the line, every last word of the line, and we have to follow a pattern. We have to arrange them in alphabetical order, okay, A, B, C, D. We have to give one letter to each line. We have to give a sound. So in when the very first line, read it, he wore a question mark for tail. So what is the last line of this, last word of this line? Tail. So we have to give a letter, a sound A by default. फर्स्ट लाइन में हमको सीधे ए लिखना है, ओके, ए साउंड देना है बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट, चाहे कोई भी लास्ट वर्ड में कोई भी साउंड हो, ओके. आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? सो नाउ एन ओवर कोट ऑफ ग्रे. नाउ यू कैन सी टेल एंड ग्रे बोथ हैव डिफरेंट साउंड, so that is why I write here B, okay, because they both are different, both have different sound. If there is same sound, we have to repeat the same letter A, then A. So here we can see these both have different sound, that is why B. Now he sat up straight to eat a nut. Again nut, grey, tail, grey, nut. Both, all of these have different sound, that is why I have written here C, different one, okay. So I am arranging them in a alphabetical order A, B, C. If any sound will repeat, we have to give the same sound, we have to write the same sound, like he liked to tease and play. Now you can see here grey and play, grey, play, both have same sound, that is why I have written here B and B, okay, because sound is repeated, grey and play, that is why I have repeated the letter B. And if we ran around his tree, now tree, tail, grey, nut, play, all, and tree has different sound among them, okay, that is why I have written here D, okay. Because of the different sound we have to follow A, B, C, D, because it is not repeated sound, that is why I have written here D. He went the other way. Now way, grey, play, and way, these all have same sound, that is why I have written here B. सेम साउंड अगर रिपीट होगा तो आप सेम लेटर लिख दोगे, एज सिंपल एज दैट, ओके. और अगर सेम नहीं है, इफ वी विल नॉट फाउंड एनी सेम साउंड, वी हैव टू फॉलो द सेम पैटर्न A, B, C, D. वी हैव टू अरेंज देम इन अ सीक्वेंस, ओके. सो राइमिंग स्कीम of this poem is A, B, C, B, D, B, okay. Why we have repeated? Because of the same sound, B, 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 grey, play, way. Now I hope you have understood. So it is the pattern to find out a rhyme scheme of a poem. If you will found any long poem, you have to follow the same pattern, okay. So student, till then, stay safe, stay home. Goodbye.